How to check the account balance on Royal Bank of Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to check your account balance, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to your RBC Mobile application. Once that is done, log in using your credentials. From the home page, tap on the account section which is on the right to the home button. After that, you will be taken to this page. On this account summary page, you can even check your daily transaction limit. In order to do so, tap on this drop down menu which is on the right of the daily transaction limits. Tapping on it, you will see the ATM withdrawals limit and the remaining balance, purchases and the remaining balance, transfers and instantly available funds. So now you have done so, head over to the banking section and choose your account. You can just tap on it to head over to next section containing the details about the account. There are two options, that is transactions and details. Tap on the second option which is details. And there you go, here you can view everything about your transactions and details including the available balance, account information and much more. So that's it for today's video. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.